Hey there, we're Matt and Debi. Welcome to Rolling with the Curves. That's Grizzly, our campsite greeter, travel buddy, and co-pilot.
And big lover boy.
We both work full-time, so we're going to explore the world of part-time RV living. We consider ourselves part-timers because we take 1 or 2 trips a year, usually totaling around 6,000 miles, and we have a seasonal site in the Salt Fork region of Southeast Ohio. So we're going to take you through some of our journeys, some of our adventures, and some of our maintenance and repairs that we just have to do. And we're not just going to limit it to the RV. We're going to show you what we do at home too to get ready to come to the park and spend our weekends here. This channel is about the real life balance of remote work, RV life, and weekend escapes.
Our 2021 Alliance Paradigm 310 RL gives us the space, the comfort, and the freedom to work hard and play even harder. You can find even more of our story, behind-the-scene clips, campground pics, and Grizzly's greatest hits over on Instagram and Facebook. Just search Rolling with the Curves.
What's that, Grizzly?
Subscribe and like.
Like and subscribe. Yeah, that would help us.
That's what he did to me.
Little puppy shenanigans.
That
Okay.
touched me. Near Salt Fork State Park.
Thank you. Okay. Life's an adventure. Roll with it.